Welcome everyone to the first session of the Four Powers Goal Transformation System course. My name is Byron, your virtual host for this three-part lecture series on understanding the architecture of thought. I'm thrilled to guide you on this journey. The Four Powers Goal Transformation System is founded on the principle that extraordinary human potential lies dormant within us all, accessible only through systematic mental conditioning and subconscious reprogramming. Drawing from the latest advancements in psychology, sports, military, and martial arts training methodologies, ancient wisdom traditions, and cutting edge neuroscience. This course provides participants with concrete tools to transcend perceived limitations and achieve what many would consider impossible. The course is structured to progressively build a formidable mindset through four integrated power centers: thought, vision, passion, and action, creating a comprehensive, personalized system for unlocking previously untapped potential. In today's session, The Science of Thought and Reality Creation, we will explore how this works. Remember, while the achievements of elite performers may seem superhuman, they represent what is possible when the full capacity of the human mind is activated and properly conditioned. Consider this. What if the limitations you've accepted as fact were merely constructs of your own thinking patterns? What if, by simply understanding the fundamental principles of how your brain operates, you could unlock seemingly limitless potential? It might sound audacious, even hyperbolic, but I assure you, it's rooted in the solid science of how our brains function and how our subconscious mind is programmed. So, let me ask you a deeply profound question to set the stage for our exploration. If your thoughts can directly influence your reality, what truly becomes possible for you? To begin to answer that, we need to understand the incredible organ that is the command center of your being, your brain. Think of it as a supercomputer, constantly processing information and adapting to your experiences. At its core are billions of tiny messengers called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, traveling along pathways called synapses. Now, here's a crucial concept. The more a pathway is used, the stronger it becomes. Think of neurons as tiny messengers and synapses as the well-trodden paths they frequently travel. This leads us to the remarkable principle of neuroplasticity, your brain's lifelong ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This isn't a static organ, it's constantly rewiring itself based on your thoughts, actions, and experiences. And this is where the power of repetition comes in. Repeated thoughts and experiences don't just flit away. They actively program the subconscious mind, strengthening specific neural pathways in your brain. There's a powerful saying in neuroscience: neurons that fire together, wire together. In simple terms, consistent thinking patterns become deeply ingrained, shaping your habitual responses and ultimately your reality. Let's consider how these ingrained thought patterns influence your performance and the outcomes you experience. Have you ever heard of a self-fulfilling prophecy? It's the powerful phenomenon where your beliefs and expectations, even if unfounded, can unconsciously influence your actions in a way that brings about the very outcome you anticipated. For example, someone who believes they are terrible at public speaking might approach every presentation with anxiety, leading to a tense delivery that unfortunately confirms their initial belief. Conversely, the impact of positive versus negative thinking is profound. Different thought patterns create vastly different emotional states, which in turn drive different behaviors. Someone approaching a challenge with optimism and a belief in their ability is far more likely to persevere and find solutions than someone consumed by doubt and negativity. This is where the concept of mental conditioning comes into play. It's the deliberate process of training your mind to think in a certain way, especially when facing stress or pressure. It's about cultivating mental resilience and enhancing your cognitive abilities to perform at your best, consistently. We see this in elite athletes, in high-performing professionals, and in anyone who consistently achieves extraordinary results. Their mindset is as rigorously trained as their physical skills. It's important to remember that every human creation, from the simplest tool you use daily to the most complex technological marvel, began as a single thought in someone's mind. Our imagination, that uniquely human ability to conceive of something that doesn't yet exist, is the very genesis of innovation. Think about groundbreaking inventions that were once considered impossible: space travel, the internet, even the device you're using to watch this course. They all started as a thought, a vision held firmly in someone's mind. This brings us to a powerful understanding. Your current reality is, in many ways, a reflection of your dominant past thoughts and beliefs. Think of it as a delayed reflection. The seeds of your present circumstances were sown by the thoughts you consistently entertained. But here's the empowering truth. By consciously directing your thoughts in the present, you can begin to cultivate and shape a new reality for your future. Consider the analogy of a seed. A thought is the seed. Consistent focus and unwavering belief are the water and sunlight, and the resulting achievement, the manifestation of your desire, is the plant that grows from that seed. Intellectual understanding is only the first step on this journey, however. The true power to transform your life comes from believing, truly believing, in the potential of your thoughts and the incredible capabilities of your subconscious mind. This course isn't just about providing information, it's about cultivating that unwavering belief within you. So, as we conclude this first session, let's summarize the key takeaways. Thoughts are not ephemeral. They have a tangible neurological basis in your brain. They actively shape your reality, influencing your actions and outcomes. And ultimately, every achievement, every creation begins with a thought. Now, I'd like you to take a moment for personal reflection. In your journal, consider this prompt. Reflect on a time when your thoughts or beliefs significantly influenced an outcome in your life, whether positively or negatively. What did you learn from that experience? This exercise will begin to illuminate the profound connection between your inner world and your outer reality, setting the stage for the incredible transformation that lies ahead. I'm excited to continue this journey with you in the sessions to come. Thank you.